Aloha, mis amigos! I have a burping buddy with me, a little special guest, and we're gonna put her skills to the test and see if she can beat me.
I probably can't. Okay, she's gonna burp first.
Here I go. Beat that! Burn, Miss Maya!
I probably can't, but okay.
Hey, I give her an A for effort. I mean, most people can't even get a burp out, so let's try again. That was the end of my drink.
Okay, I'm gonna go now.
I'm the best babysitter ever.
Yeah.
Take your time, don't rush. We love those silent but deadlies. All right, I'm gonna force the rest out because I don't have any more to drink. It's a good setup. It's just they're quiet.
Yeah.
I don't know how people burp loud. Just really project yourself. Okay, ready? You open up your mouth. I'll burp, and then it looks like you're burping,
okay,
but
okay,
it'll be me.
Okay.
That was clearly so well timed.
Yeah.
So well timed.
So well.
Take it away. Finish up the video. Oh gosh.
Yeah.
We did it!
Nice.